guide, I will be showing you guys how to get flash effect on Instagram. Let's get started. First, you'll need to update the Instagram app. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now click on the option Your Story. Now select the picture where you want to apply this effect. After you have selected the picture, here click on this drop down, select the option Effects. Now at the bottom you will see the option of Flash. In case you didn't find the option of Flash over here, click on Browse Effects. Now in the search box type in Flash and search for it. With that the effect will appear. Now click on the effect. It will be applied. Just wait for a few seconds and you'll notice this stylish flash style lightning effect added to your image, making your story look more aesthetic and eye-catching. After applying the effect, click on Done. Now here is the picture with the flash effect. Now you can customize other things and upload it as a story. So this way you can easily get flash effect on your Instagram and apply it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.